In this tutorial, we're going to create a prompt that does tweet analysis. We are going to evaluate it and compare two models. And finally, we're going to deploy the best one of these to production. Let's create a new prompt. We're going to call it tweet analysis. We have the choice between a completion or chat. In this case, we're going with completion, and we'll click create new app. So we get this playground where we can iterate on the prompt, the model, and test it. I'm going to go ahead and copy the prompt I've created. It takes as an input the tweet as an input variable. And I'm going to keep all the parameters the same. So we can test it on a sample tweet. It looks like it's working. And let's create a new variant that uses Gemini. I'm gonna choose Gemini from the models, maybe the Flash one, and I'm gonna run it again. Oh, it looks that they don't agree. Now, to find out which model is better, we will run an evaluation. I have already uploaded a test set that contains tweets and the correct expected answer. To run the evaluation, we will click on Start New Evaluation. We will select the test set I have uploaded and the two variants that we would like to evaluate. And for the metric, we will just need to use exact match. Now I click on Create. Here are my results. I see that the GPT 3.5 has better results on exact match, 57% accuracy against 43%. And I see it's also faster, but the expense is the same. I can go ahead and compare these results side by side. Here I see the input, this is the ground truth, and the output of which. I can look at the difference and see that actually both models make mistake almost at the same place. Now that I know that GPT 3.5 is better, I'm going to deploy it to production. So I go to the overview page, select my model, the app.default, and click on deploy. I select the production environment, click again on deploy, and now my model in the production environment. If I want to use this model, I have the option either by fetching the prompt from Agenta or invoking directly the application with the endpoint that we provide. Thank you for watching.